diplomatic, so independent. Tell me why? 'Cause that boy is mine, mine. Something about him is made for somebody like me. Baby, come over, come over. God knows I'm trying, but there's just no use in denying. That boy is mine. I can't wait to try him. Let's get intertwined. The stars, they align. The boy is mine. Watch me take my time. I can't believe my mind. The boy is divine. Please know this ain't what I planned for. Probably wouldn't bet a dime on my life. There's gotta be a reason why my girls, they always come through in a sticky situation. Say it's fine.